Hello everyone, my name is Angelina Nadia, and today I will be reading a journal titled Investigating UX Work in Software Startups, a survey about attitudes, method, and key challenge. Introduction. User experience or UX emerged as an umbrella terms that includes all aspects of user interaction with service and product by combining situational and temporal elements related to technology use. Norman and Nielsen, Vargas, Avila, and Hornbeck Hasselhoff over time, studies of human-computer interaction or HCE in the software industry have pointed out the need for professionals to pay attention to the experience that the product provides to the users. The literature has discussed that efforts employed to conduct user-centered activities, method, and technique, also called UX work, can provide benefit to software development. In addition, the UX work might benefit the business. Software professionals also recognize that UX is relevant for determining whether or not users stay engaged with a product or service. Difficult in terms of collecting and using user feedback, lack of terms, mindset, or culture about UX work, lack of UX specialists or professionals dedicated to UX, and balancing the customer with value with minimal engineering efforts are challenges faced by software startup professionals. However, software startup professionals have shown effort in not applying UX attitudes, method, and technique to research and evaluate user experience. UX attitude represent the practice, action, and activities that are recurrent in the development of UX-oriented products and services. UX attitude combined with different methods and techniques allow the companies to investigate the prolonged use of a product value that can emerge over time. At the same time, the longitudinal research about UX is relevant for understanding users' behaviors, feelings, and emotions from different pictures. About the use of product or service, software startup professionals also struggle with the effective use of information collected about their user from UX data. UX data is a valuable resource to influence routes to software development and generate knowledge usable by all professionals. Unlike consolidated companies, software startups are characterized by operating with small software teams, using new technologies with little knowledge, working with high uncertainty about customer and market conditions, and having a high failure rate. She show some challenge software startup face in the early stage, which can be extended to startups in other stage. These challenges include managing multiple tasks, defining a valuable minimum product, and delivering customer value. Consider Considering the characteristic of software startup and the challenge faced by software professional in UX, we bring to the Brazilian HCI scientific community a discussion about the practice of UX work from the point of view of software startup Brazilian professional by looking at the Brazilian symphony on human factors in computing system publishing. We identified a few papers that explore UX topic from the perspective of a large number of software professionals. Therefore, this paper aims to investigate the perceived useful of software startup Brazilian professional about UX attitude, method, and technique applies in UX work. our paper still investigate in which moment of long-term UX attitude are performed during software development. Furthermore, furthermore, we also investigate the key challenge perceived uh, by professional and the existence of this challenge in the different stage of Brazilian startup. To achieve these goals, we conduct a survey answered by 90 professionals from Brazilian software startup. In our study, we define their research question. What is the perceived usefulness of UX attitude method and technique according to the software startup professional? Requirement 2. In which moments are the UX attitude we perform to collect the UX data according to the software startup professional? Requirement 3. Does the use of UX attitude impact the challenge faced by software startups? Our study contributes by presenting results on UX attitudes that software professionals have applied in the context of startup. It also reports that the startup's maturity stage influence the adopt UX attitude and the perceived usefulness. The List of UX method and technique. Furthermore, our findings clarify that UX data is collected by software startup professional at all moments of long-term UX, mainly when users utilize the product. We highlight that this paper is an extended version of a professionally published paper. The new contribution of this version are mainly linked to research question requirement 3, which was exclusive to this new version. Therefore, we highlight the findings of requirement 3 that startup at different stage face the first financial team and technological challenge. Furthermore, we relate the investigate UX attitude to this challenge. For example, the relationship between team-oriented attitudes and team-related challenge, as well as financial challenge influenced by attitudes such as user testing and research or evaluation optimization. Our paper is organized into the following main section: a background section 2, research method section 3, result section 4, discussion and to validity section 5, conclusion and future work section 6. For result, this section present our result. Section 4.1 present a profile of response and information about the software startup. In section 4.2, 4.3, and 4.5, 4.4, we present the result of each research question. 4.1 Demographic. As mentioned in the data analysis section 3.3, we had a total of 90 valid response from participants in our survey. Regarding the participant additional background, we observed that the majority 53% and 48 are or have gone through a post-graduation course. In addition, 36% and 32 have an undergraduate degree, 9 and 8 are in undergraduate studies, and 2 have only some complete high school. Regarding the participant position, we obtained a variety since the same participant could select more than one position, the most return position were CEO, 62% and 56 user interface designer, 40, for 14% and 13 and developer 14 and 13. Ta- Taking into account the years the startup were found, we observe that the startups were found from 2000 to 2021. We realized that most software startups in our sample are young and have up to 4 years of operation. Furthermore, different answers were obtained about the segment in which these software startups operate. When analyzing the 90 response about the software startup, we found that our sample was well distributed among the four stages. By analyzing the demographic data, we found that around 72% of the respondents from respond 58 of percent of respond we are from startup that we are in stage one or stage two, where most of them were micro startup and up to 3 years old. 4.2 Perception on UX attitudes, method, and technique. Requirement 1 UX related attitudes applied. The four most common UX related attitudes report by respond where understand user needs, user feedback capture, user test evaluation, and analyze data and generate useful insight for the product or service. We see in table 6 the data from the perspective of startup stage. Although there are no significant difference between the groups or of software startup, we find that understand user needs and user feedback capture are attitudes mentioned by a high percent of response from software startup in stage 2. And user test or evaluation is most mentioned by response from software startup in stage 1. Artifacts to bring terms, user and insight together, educate and train members in UX research and strategies, objective and responsibilities. About UX research are the three least mentioned attitude mainly by response of software startup. UX-related attitudes to develop in the future, as can be seen from Figure 1. Startup professional in Stage 3 assign greater value to the attitudes that they consider most important to develop in the future. However, we did not find significant difference between the groups. User feedback and user test or evaluation. The three attitudes considered least important were artificial to bring terms user and insight together. It's that optimize survey or evaluation and strategies, objective and responsibilities about UX research. The average on the importance of UX related attitude is assigned per group are shown from black square in figure 1. Perceived usefulness of UX method and technique used. From the result, we found that the five most used UX method and technique were interviewed. 4.3 Long-term UX requirement 2 Motivation to adopt UX practice. The three most mentioned motive for adopting UX practice among respond were to improve product or service quality. To improve product or service quality and produce what the user wants to consume were most often mentioned by software startup respondent in stage 4, while engine customer were most often mentioned by software startup respondent in stage 2. Only 11% of response mentioned reason such as incentive of mentoring programs or the startup adopt UX practice due to market demand, mainly from software startup in stage 1 and 2 respectively. 4.4 challenge and the impact of UX attitude. Requirement 3 K challenge. The findings for the K challenge faced by the startup are shown in table 11. The result were refined at by calculating the average of the response from the startup professional at each of the stage analyzed with the closer to 11 to 10, the greater the difficult related to the challenge research of the stage of the startup. The main challenge phase is related to reaching and financial break-even point. Expect for the challenge for startup in stage 1, the most difficult challenge were acquiring first paying customer, but in entrepreneurial terms and acquiring initial funding. On the other hand, the least complex challenges at this stage are technological uncertainty and targeting a niche market. The main challenge for startup professional in stage 2 are focused on managing multiple tasks and building entrepreneurial terms. On the other hand, targeting a niche market and technological uncertainty are also characteristic as less complex challenges at this stage. For startup professional in stage 3, in addition to building entrepreneurial teams, another challenge is acquiring initial funding as with startup in stage 1 and 2, the least phase. Challenges are also related to technological uncertainty and targeting a niche market in stage 4. Startup also face the challenge of building the letters stalled out in startups only that this stage. About the challenge list faced by startup in stage 4, we highlight acquiring initial funding and technological uncertainty. Results of the stage startup leading challenge is reaching the break-even point. Other challenge that we can infer that our occur result of the stage according to our result are building entrepreneurial terms and managing multiple tasks. Another connection investigate was to understand whether user tests or evaluation and attitudes that optimize research or evaluation had any relationship with financial challenges such as reaching the break-even point and obtaining initial funding. Regarding user testing and for evaluation, we noticed when analyzing table 12 that there was not much difference in the average financial challenge for startup that apply and do not apply this attitude. As for attitude that optimize research or evaluation, we notice that startup without this attitude will have higher average financial challenge. Finally, we analyze data and generate useful insight for the product or service and artifact to bring terms user and insight together. Our UX attitude related to defining minimum viable product according to table 12. Startup that apply analyze data and generate useful insight for the product or service are less concerned about the challenge of defining an MVP. The same happens for the other attitudes, increasing the average difficult for this challenge by almost 1 point in startup that do not apply these attitudes. Thank you.